I am making the smoked duck rice paper roll. The great Asian flavours and the smoked duck in this dish make a great entree. To make the dish, I prepare all the ingredients first, starting with the duck, slice thinly, slice the lettuce, the cucumber, then combine the ingredients onto the rice paper, starting with the duck, the vermicelli noodles, the lettuce, the cucumber, and your mint. Roll up and it's ready to serve. What I found interesting about this recipe is the hoisin sauce, the combination with the milk and the rice wine vinegar. Tasting that with the duck combination and the rice paper roll is really quite lovely.